Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to AJ's EO Infusions, where we're all about natural beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into a little luxury that can completely transform your self-care routine, our lip butter scrub infused with essential oils. Trust me, once you experience the magic of smooth, nourished lips, there's no going back. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's talk about why your lips deserve this kind of TLC. Now I get it. We've all reached for that classic tube of lip balm, hoping for some relief, or maybe even a little dab of petroleum jelly, thinking it will solve the problem. They give you that quick moisture fix, but have you noticed it doesn't last long enough? That's because many of those products just sit on top of your lips, creating a barrier without actually nourishing your skin deeply. And let's be real, chapped lips aren't just uncomfortable. They can be painful, even affecting your confidence and how you feel about yourself. That's where a lip butter scrub makes all the difference, offering both exfoliation and deep hydration. This little tube is your lip care superhero. Unlike traditional products, it gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells while deeply moisturizing with essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and frankincense. And the best part, no rinsing or wiping off needed. Just apply, rub gently, and let those oils soak in for lasting hydration. Let's break down why these oils are the perfect trio for your lips. Known for its calming and soothing properties, lavender oil can help relieve irritation and restore softness. Peppermint is refreshing and cooling, perfect for giving your lips a natural plump. While promoting circulation, frankincense is a true skin rejuvenator. It supports healing and smooths fine lines for that youthful, healthy look. For the best results, I recommend using it 2 to 3 times a day or right before bed. Trust me, waking up to silky soft lips is a whole vibe. Let's dive into some DIY lip care tips that you can easily try at home. These tips are simple, effective, and use ingredients you probably already have. First, a simple honey and sugar scrub can work wonders for exfoliating your lips. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a teaspoon of sugar and gently rub it on your lips in circular motions. Rinse off after a few minutes for smooth, exfoliated lips that feel refreshed. Another great tip is to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking plenty of water keeps your lips naturally moisturized and prevents dryness. And don't forget to protect your lips from the sun with a good SPF lip balm, especially when you're outdoors. These small steps can make a big difference in your lip care routine, leaving your lips healthy and beautiful. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our real users have to say. Here are some testimonials from our happy customers who have experienced amazing results. I've been using AJ's EO Infusions lip butter scrub for a month now, and my lips have never felt better, says Christine S. The essential oils make such a difference, adds Trey M., who loves the natural ingredients. I love how smooth and hydrated my lips feel, shares Chance S., another satisfied user. These are just a few of the many positive reviews we've received from our delighted customers. Try it for yourself and join our community of satisfied customers who love their healthy, smooth lips. And before we wrap up, I have some exciting news. Receive a discount on your first purchase. The discount will be automatically applied at checkout. No code needed. Plus, if you bundle, you save. It's the perfect time to stock up and treat your lips to some much needed TLC. Head over to AJ's Infusions.com to take advantage of this offer. So if you're ready to level up your lip care routine, make sure to head over to AJ's Infusions.com and grab your lip butter scrub. And don't forget to check out our blog posts on Transformative Tuesdays for even more tips on holistic beauty. And tune in on Wellness Wednesdays for our Deep Dive podcast. Until next time, keep those lips soft and your self-care game strong because you're worth it.